Okay guys, I have 1521 kilometers, that's like 1000 miles, and it's time to change the back brake pads again. This is the second time. Last time I changed both of them, but I'm only going to change the back now since the front one is still fine. So I'm changing them about every 2 months, it seems. That's quite a lot, so I bought these ones from AliExpress. It cost me like $40 coming to my home in Iceland. That's like half of what I have to pay for it from here. So the first thing we do, we have to take this pin here. We have to make it straight from the back. Then we just have to pull it out. Then we take the old pads out. These ones are completely worn down. The spring is messed up. So with my new pads I have a new spring and the new pin. Sometimes the pistons inside close up, then you might have to force them open so the new ones will fit. So just put the spring in place and then just put the new ones in. Nice. Put the pin inside and bend it from the back so they won't fall out. And that's it. So super easy, anybody can do it. And if you have a big and heavy scooter like me, you have to do it every couple of months. So it's better to just learn to do it yourself. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.